Hello, Tina. Well, happy birthday. Surprise, hey? Well, the bag and keychains here are my birthday gifts to you. I have secretly handed them to your mom, so you can probably find the gifts in your mom's room. But first, here's how the gift looks in general. I will show you how to open and shape the bag, just to avoid you accidentally damaging it later. It's buff, like a carrot skin color, but somehow the real color cannot be shown through the video. Here is how to open the bag. As you can see from the lock, it's not a bag that's made for people who are always in a hurry. It's the first time for me to crochet a bag in such raw yarns, and it's not easy at all for me to make the bag in perfect way in the first time. There could be some mistake here and there, but I know you would still accept and like it as you do to me and my personalities for almost a decade. This little chicken, it looks just as cute as the nickname that we have called you from time to time. Chicken. I'm glad to be your friend. I do treasure all moments we have spent together, and I really hope our friendship could maintain for 5 to 6 more decades. Once again, happy birthday, girl. Wish you health, luck, and happiness in your new age. That is the end of the video. You can go and check your mom's room now. Yours.